All right, everyone, welcome back to People's Awesome. Today is gonna start with a minimum operation to convert a number. So since I've been doing graph, this is also you're given a zero index array contain the distinct number, you're given a star, you're giving a goal, and there's an integer x that's initially go to start, then it will follow some operation down here to get to the goal. Uh, all right. Something like so. Let's start with an quick example right here. We have let's say we have this number 2, 4, and 12. We have start at 2 and our goal is 12, right? So from 12 we can from 2 we can plus 12 to get 14. That is one operation. And then from 14 we can minus 2, which is in this num. We can choose any of the numbers. Minus 2, this is the second operation to get the curl. So when you first look at this problem, you would think that, oh, okay, maybe dynamic programming, but it's not. It's a graph problem. And yeah, it's just a graph problem. So I can draw it out like this. Let's say we start at 2, right? We start at 2 like this. We can do a 2 operation. We can do a plus, minus, and a bitwise XOR, right? And then from this operation, we also have, 3 more, which is the 3 number from here. We can do 2, we can do 4, we can do 12, and then the same thing for here. We can do 2, we do 4, we do 12. Same thing on this one, 2, 4, and 12. So we have the flat drawing right there. Then are each of these, and let's say 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and so on. You know what I mean? So let's think about this. Let's say we start at 2. We'll put it in the queue like this. Put it in the queue like this. 2. So for every single operation and every single numbers in here, right? It's gonna be we will put those number in here when we pop it to. So we call that a BFS. We will do BFS traverse right here, right? So we have 2 right here. We pop 2 out of the queue. Then for 2 we have around 3 times 3 is 9, around 9 values to add in this queue. So 2 times I have 2 plus 2, 2 minus 2, another 2 XOR 2. We also have 2 plus 4, 2 minus 4, and then 2 XOR 4. Also, we need to make sure that the out range right here. So if any of the value is any other value in the range like this, any other value in this range, it will be valid to process, to be considered for our result. Right. So we will add all of these into the queue and then keep processing it. Every time we process anytime we process one of these, we will plus 1 for the operation count. Okay, so we have to keep track of that. There's a lot of drawing. Also, we also have a case like where we have 3 minus 3 equals to 0, right? And then there's a case where 0 plus 3 again is equal to 3. And then we do it again in the next loop. Right now is the count is 3, right? So it's 0 again. So it's make an infinite loop. We have to have a visit set for it. And yeah, I will solve the problem. So I will plot it real quick. Let's see how it's go. So the first of all, I will have a queue right here, as I said, right? I will add my first element into my queue, which is my start. I have a count right here. I have the visit. So, so all right. So YQ, my count will plus 1. So this is the layer by layer, every single operation. So first of all, I will pop my queue, get my first value out. Value top left. And then let's say I have trees right here and numbers right here, right? So I will have to go through every single of them. So yeah, for that operation, just do 2 for loop for every single number in numbers. For the or new value int value sum, then value minus sum, then value bitwise term. Right, so every single of that, I will have a new value. Then I have to check that, okay, if that value in the range, I'll just copy you here, value, with, right? If my, I have to check if my new value is equal to, and then let's see, go, I would return, right? If my value is in the range, and in range, we're in range, and the new value is not in limits, we will add the new value into the visit, add new value, and we also need to add that into the queue. If flipped, and that should be it. In the end, if there's nothing, I would just return negative watch if this nothing happened. So let's try to run this in Square. I in rank to move so oops. There's something wrong. Let's see what I'm oh no here that that mostly it. It just it's like really weird. Why I don't know why I do that. So is it? Yep, and it's fun. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next episode.